Hi everyone, and welcome to another exciting, albeit different, Ingram Micro One event. There's no doubt that this event is vastly different than previous years. There's also no doubt that this year is vastly different than previous years. Let's face it, it's been hard. It's been frustrating, at times even emotional. But there's some good coming from all of this. We continue to see incredible innovation happening overnight. Prior to March, IoT was largely viewed as a nice to have. It's now being viewed as a need to have. We're seeing an acceleration in this area brought on by new use cases that weren't even conceptualized 9 months ago. These new use cases are what's helping us return to our new normal. They're making it possible to move forward and adapt to these changing conditions that we face. And with X reality, we're becoming more efficient in our new way of working. At Ingram Micro, we continue to press on. Even through these challenging times, we continue to build and grow our IoT practice. We've invested heavily into our new IoT Center of Excellence located in Irvine, California. This new center is changing the way we support not only our partners, but our vendors as well. This new space will allow us to showcase a number of working IoT solutions ranging from return to work solutions like thermal temperature screening and people counting, to smart manufacturing solutions and a number of X reality demos. We have an executive briefing center at the heart of the new building, right next to our IoT lab. Within this lab, we're hard at work building, testing, and certifying hardware for plug-and-play solutions so that you can have peace of mind knowing that they'll work when you need them to. We can also run simulations and demos for you remotely and eventually in person. This is meant to be an extension of your company and your capabilities. I've mentioned before that X reality is helping companies become more efficient. Even within our own four walls, we're now leveraging the HoloLens 2 in our South Carolina location to train new technicians with experts who are based out of St. Louis. We've seen this area of IoT explode over the last 6 months. There's a 41% CAGR anticipated over the next 5 years in this space. Because of that, we're making moves to ensure that we can properly support our partners in this area. We're investing in expanding our team to better support our growing list of ISVs and system integrators. We've created a dedicated sales group that has industry-specific knowledge so that our strategic accounts have specialized support. The dynamic and needs of our partners are vastly different, and as such, they require a different type of engagement. This new group allows us to do just that. As we look to expand our ISVs and services offerings, we're also here to announce our new X Reality demo program. XR needs to be experienced. It's not something that can be gained by watching a video. As such, we've made it easy for our qualified partners to take part in our demo program to have an actual XR device sent to them so that they can either test out their own applications on them or take them on site to a customer and have them experience it firsthand, leading to more deals being won. When your demo period is up, simply return the device to us using the included return label, where we restore the factory settings and sanitize each unit. This has proven to be a very powerful sales tool, and we are thrilled to extend this to our XR partners free of charge. Now, IoT is growing so much that... What's going on? It's not working? Are we not streaming? Nothing? We don't have the network or something? But the event's happening right now. So we have no network. We're out. Where's Mike Mason at? He's not here. We have to get this restored. We got to go to the BTC. All right, come on, let's go. We got to get this going again. Mike, I need your help.
Well, I'm trying to stream for the one event up in the boardroom right now, and I lost the network. I don't know what's going on. We're not streaming anymore.
All right. Well, first step in fixing a network is don't panic. So let's, you got a HoloLens, you got me. It sounds important. I can take a few minutes and let's figure this out.
Yeah, it looks like you're real hard at work there, bud.
Yeah, it's tough times. But yeah, why don't, all right, what we can do is we can run a bypass to another network. So I would need your help to do that.
Okay, what do I do?
Yep, you're in the BTC. So what I need you to do is first go into the healthcare space.
Okay.
All right, so stop right there. You'll see a panel on your left. It's a white panel on the blue wall.
Okay.
Okay, and here I'm going to just so we're clear on which panel, I'm going to give you a couple arrows here. There's a yellow arrow, and I'll give you a big. Okay, so we need to go ahead and look at that guy. Okay, perfect. So what we need to do.
There's a lot of cables in here.
Yep, don't worry. You'll just bring everyone else down if you take the wrong one, so just relax. And what we're going to do here is there's this red cable, okay? That should be the one that, connects to where you are. And I just need to run it into, I'll do it with with some green here, up into this bank, okay? You can pretty much plug it in any one of these four at the top here.
Okay.
Perfect. So go ahead and you could close that.
Did that fix it? Was it that easy?
Not yet. So we need to go to a few more places, so relax, it'll all be good. Yep, so right there, if you see this big noise-proof rack here that we have in the healthcare area, I'm going to need you to switch a cable in there as well. Okay, so you see this red cable right there. Okay, what we're going to need to do is take the red cable and move it to the upper switch here.
Just like that?
Yep, perfect. Look at this. I think you were made for this. You're doing really well. So I just got one more task for you. So you know where our data center is, correct?
Yep.
All right, so I need you to go into the data center. Bring me with you so I can see it. Wow, look at all that IoT stuff we got.
Oh, I love it.
All right, don't forget to scan your hand. All right, we're in the data center. Now there's a lot of stuff here. But what we're going to do is, let's see, it's either the 5th or the 6th rack here. Go up to this rack here, and just take a look at it for me. Oh no, yeah, it's the next rack over. So yeah, we want to be here. So open that rack up.
Okay.
Side. All right, so yep, give me a good view. All right, so before you move this cable, now we can break everything here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just share my screen so you understand what we're doing, okay? And what we have here, this is what we're doing with the network bypass, right? Okay, can you see that clearly?
Yep.
All right, does that make sense? Give you confidence to make the change here?
Yep. You just got to tell me which port I got to put it in.
What we're going to do is we're going to take, miraculously again, it is the red cable, so this one right here, okay, and we are going to move that over to this bank right here.
Got it.
All right, clear those.
Did that fix it?
See, I think you're good to go. You can go back to talking to customers or whatever it is that you do.
That's awesome. Thanks, Mike. You're the man.
Now, as I was saying,
we're out of time. Sorry, Eric. That sounds like that would have been amazing.